So Christmas is around the corner for me, and that means time to make cookies. And that's why I want to get these baking sheets. These were actually gifted to me from the brand, but it's always out of my honest truth. So as you can see, one, look, you can even see highly reflective and so shiny that these are perfect to put cookies. These have rolled edges, which means they're so smooth. And also, I love the different sizes. This is perfect actually for my toaster oven, so I can actually put like some small dishes in and cook and make really like a single use dish. These are really easy to clean and perfectly well suited for the oven, the freezer, the fridge, everywhere that you need a baking pan. And trust me, I always need a baking pan. I also love these high sides too, so it makes it really easy to roast in them. But what you're going to find too, these are lightweight, shatterproof, and really easy to clean. So if you're looking for new baking dishes, these are definitely the ones that are going to be the best.